Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest. Today I'm going to show you how our wireless light sensor works. So the experiment I'm going to do today is distance relationship with light, or light related to distance. So all our light sensors, all our wireless sensors have built-in USB and Bluetooth. The app EasySense 2 is a free download from all the app stores. So the USB can be used on Windows, Chromebook and Apple Mac, as well as Bluetooth on those three devices. But Bluetooth can also be used on iOS and Android as well. So to turn these sensors on, you hold the button on the bottom for 2 seconds. It's now broadcasting Bluetooth. The EasySense 2 software will only pick up Data Harvest Bluetooth devices as well. So we've also got a 6-digit number on the front here. So if I go to the EasySense software and go and click on devices, you'll see it's come up with a 6-digit number there, which matches the one on here. So even if you have multiple light sensors within the classroom, it knows which one is which. So I'm going to set this 20 centimeters away from the light. Hence I've got this ruler here as well. We find 20 centimeters from the light source works an absolute treat. Now the light source you should use should be an electricity mains light. Please don't use cells. If you do, because the cells are being used, the light being produced does decrease and will affect the experiment. Now, we're in a studio here today filming this for you as well. Even though we have blackout blinds, we have lots of other lights on in here as well, obviously to, sadly, make me a bit brighter at the front here. But when you're in the science lab, the only light you need on is the light you're using with the light sensor. Blackout blinds, all other lights off, and then you should get a perfect reading for this. So, I'm going to connect to my light sensor. As you can see, lots of ranges you have here. You've got the ambient light range here, so you can go up to 200,000 lux and you can go outside with this, go out with a device, you'll see it live connecting straight back to your iOS, Android device, whatever you want to be using outside as well. We're not going to be doing that today. We are just going to be doing the direct light, but you can see there's different ranges on the light. What we mean by direct light is the direct light on the front here. The ambient light's on the top, direct lights on the front. But again, it is worthwhile just looking through our manuals, and again, they're all on the product website to actually download. So put that back there like that. There we go. So you can do fast readings on here, pick up the flashing of fluorescent lights, but we're just going to leave it on the, sorry, clicked the wrong one. I need to click on the 4000 lux one, which is the one it defaults to anyway. So it's a nice, easy one to do. So I'm going to go and click on snapshot. Now, I want to use snapshot, but I also want to put in my own value. So I want to prompt for a value on each sample. So what I'm going to call this is distance, because I'm going to be moving it away 5 centimeters at a time. So we just type distance in here. And it's obviously going to be in centimeters. That's perfect. So we now go and click the start button. Now we can take a reading straight away. So that, even though it's 10 centimeters on here, it's 20 centimeters from the light. So we're going to go back 20, 25, and as I said, go back 5 centimeters each time. So we're now going to take this sample and we're going to put in here, so this is 20. So we've got that sample at the top there. We're now going to move this 5 centimeters at a time. So we're now going to take a reading, and this is now going to be 25. Save that sample. Go to 20, take another reading. So this is now going to be 30 centimeters. I'm now going to do another 5 centimeters. So this is now going to be 35 centimeters. So I'll take the reading again, type in 35 and store that. Go another 5 to 30, take a reading. So this is now gone to 40 centimeters. Take another reading. More readings the better with this. You need to take at least 8 to 10 readings. So just going to take a few more on here at the moment. So we'll take a sample here, and this is now going to be 45. Take another reading. This is now going to be 50. Take a couple more, so we're now going to go to 55, take a reading, another one to 60, another one to 65, And last one, oh, I could do a couple more, not too close to my computer here. So we'll take another sample here and do this one at 70. We'll do one more. So we can see this going up to 75 here and save the sample. So what we can do now, we can click the stop button on the software, click the bottom and have that as distance. So we can now see you've got the slight curve in the line, which is what you should have when you're having the relationship between distance and light. Now, what you can do is go to calculate, add a series, and you can type in what you want here, and you can start using your ax squared plus bx plus c readings on there. But please, for this experiment, I'm going to ask you to go to the website, because on our product page of the light sensor, so you can type in product number 1160 on the search part of our data-harvest.co.uk, and it gives you the worksheet to download. All of our wireless sensors have worksheets for you to download, and it's really important you go and look at that. It gives you lots of ideas how to do it, and will also guide you through there as well. There's also lots of more videos of me showing you how to do other experiments with the wireless sensors. If you go to our website again, data-harvest.co.uk, drop down menu teaching and click on Secondary Academy. We split the videos into three. You've got the first section is how you use the Bluetooth sensors. Second section is how you use them in the experiments. And the third section is actually the EasySense2 software, and that shows you how to do that as well. If you need any help or support at all, please just drop us an email here at sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.